I've had a friend spend $50,000 just to make $55,000 in Facebook ads, like in assignments. Wow. To where, for me, and it's from what I've seen, man, it's been like market specific. And so, like, what markets are you really hitting with your Facebook ads? And then we'll talk about your other marketing too.
So actually, what we've seen recently is, when we really started hitting was a lot of our dispo right now is we were working with a hedge fund, and this hedge fund is obviously not just in one state. Our Facebook same ad is going across like 20 different markets, so it's not per one market.
Okay.
The reason that is because the algorithm, I really think, just if you only go to one market, there's just not as many eyeballs on it, right? And if you have that same ad going across many different markets, that's what I've recently found was the best success we've had. Like we were doing, I think it was like $50 a day. And at one point we were pulling like, I think we were getting like 5-6 leads a day, which is good. And you know what I mean? Like, and I think that's pretty good. 5-6 solid ones too.
Off of $50?
Off $50 a day.